Imagine stepping out onto your balcony and picking a fresh sweet guava from a tree that you grew yourself in a pot right at home. This is not just a dream, because today I am going to show you how you can grow a healthy guava tree in a small space like a balcony or terrace without needing a big garden or complicated tools. You will see that with simple steps and a little care, you can enjoy delicious guavas all year round. Growing a guava tree in a pot is one of the easiest ways to have fresh fruit at home, even if you have very limited space. In this video, I will guide you through everything from choosing the right pot and the perfect guava variety to preparing the soil, planting the tree, and taking care of it so it grows strong and produces fruit. You will learn how to water it properly, fertilize it naturally, manage pests, and prune it correctly to get the best results. By the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge you need to start your own potted guava tree and enjoy healthy fruit right from your home. Chapter 1: Choosing the right pot for your guava tree is the first step to ensure healthy growth and fruit production. A pot that is too small will restrict root growth and reduce the chances of flowering, while a very large pot may hold too much water and cause root rot. For young guava saplings, a pot with a diameter of about 15 to 20 inches is ideal. But as the tree grows, you can move it to a larger pot. It is also important to choose a pot with proper drainage holes so excess water can escape easily. And avoid waterlogging. Using plastic, ceramic, or clay pots all work well, but make sure the pot is sturdy enough to hold the soil and tree securely. Selecting the right guava variety is very important for growing in pots, because some varieties grow too large and are not suitable for small spaces. Dwarf or small varieties such as Allahabad Safeda, Lucknow 49, or Red Malaysian are perfect choices. For pot gardening, these varieties are easier to manage, require less space, and can produce fruit within a reasonable time frame. Choosing a variety that is known for high fruit production and disease resistance will save you time and effort later. You can buy grafted saplings from nurseries because they establish faster and produce fruit earlier than seed-grown plants. Make sure the sapling you choose is healthy, has a strong stem, and green leaves free from pests. Chapter 3: Soil preparation. Preparing the soil properly is crucial for the growth of your guava tree. In a pot, the ideal soil should be well-draining and rich in nutrients to support healthy roots. A mixture of garden soil, compost, and sand works very well for potted guavas. It is important to maintain a slightly acidic to neutral pH because it helps the tree absorb nutrients efficiently. Before planting, you can add some organic fertilizer or well-rotted compost to give the tree a good start. Avoid heavy clay soils because they hold too much water and make us root rot. Mixing the soil thoroughly and filling the pot about 1/3 before planting ensures proper root space and allows the tree to grow strong and healthy after. For planting the guava tree, planting the guava tree correctly in the pot is essential for long-term growth. Start by filling the pot about 1/3 with prepared soil, and then place the sapling carefully at the center. Make sure the roots are spread evenly and not bent. Fill the remaining space around the roots with soil and press gently to remove air pockets. Water the plant lightly after planting to settle the soil and provide moisture for the roots. Avoid planting too deep because it may harm the stem. Keep the top of the root ball slightly above the soil level to allow proper drainage and ensure the tree grows upright and strong. Chapter 5: Watering routine. Watering your potted guava tree correctly is one of the most important steps for healthy growth. Overwatering can cause root rot, while underwatering can stress the tree and reduce fruit production. The soil should always be kept slightly moist, but never soggy. During hot summer months, watering 2 to 3 times a week is ideal, but in cooler months it can be reduced. Always check the top layer of soil before watering, and avoid letting water collect at the bottom of the pot. Using a watering can with a fine nozzle helps distribute water evenly and prevents washing away soil around the base of the tree. You can add a layer of mulch to retain moisture and maintain a stable temperature for the root. Chapter 6: Fertilization. Fertilizing your guava tree regularly helps it grow strong and produce healthy fruits. Organic fertilizers such as compost, vermicompost, or well-rotted manure are excellent options because they release nutrients slowly and improve soil quality. Balanced chemical fertilizers with NPK are also useful, especially during the flowering and fruiting stages. Apply fertilizer every 2 to 3 months and follow the recommended quantity at the package. Avoid over-fertilizing because it can burn the roots and damage the tree. Always water the tree after fertilization to help nutrients reach the roots for best results. Alternate between organic and chemical fertilizers and make sure to provide additional nutrients like calcium and magnesium if leaves start showing signs of deficiency. Chapter 7: Pruning and Shaping. Pruning your guava tree regularly is necessary to maintain its shape and encourage fruit production. Removing dead, overcrowded, or weak branches allows sunlight and air to reach the inner parts of the tree. Proper pruning also prevents diseases and strengthens the main branches for fruiting. Start by cutting small branches at the base using clean, sharp tools. Avoid removing more than 1/3 of the tree at a time to prevent stress. Young trees can be pruned lightly to shape them, while mature trees require more structured pruning to balance fruit production and growth. Pruning also makes harvesting easier and keeps the tree compact, which is perfect for small space gardening. Chapter 8: Pest and Disease Management. Managing pests and diseases is important to keep your guava tree healthy and productive. Common pests include aphids, fruit flies, and mealybugs, while diseases like fungal infections can affect leaves and fruits early. Detection and preventive measures are key. Use natural remedies such as neem oil or insecticidal soap to control pests without harming the tree. Avoid spraying chemicals during flowering to protect pollinators. Keep the pot area clean and remove fallen leaves or fruits that may attract pests. Proper spacing and pruning also improve air circulation and reduce the risk of fungal infections. Regularly inspect the tree for unusual spots or wilting leaves and take action immediately to prevent spread. Chapter 9: Fruiting Tips. Encouraging your potted guava tree to flower and bear fruit requires proper care and attention. Make sure the tree gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day because sunlight is essential for flowering and fruiting. Maintain a consistent watering schedule and provide balanced fertilization to support fruit development. Patience is important because guavas may take 1 to 2 years to produce fruit in a pot. Avoid overwatering during flowering, as it may cause flowers to drop. Pruning can also help by redirecting energy to fruiting branches. Regular observation and care will ensure that your tree grows strong and produces sweet, healthy fruits that you can enjoy right from your balcony or terrace. Chapter 10: Harvesting. Knowing when and how to harvest guavas is important to enjoy their fall flavor and nutrition. Fruits are ready when they change color, slightly soften to touch, and release a sweet aroma. Pick the fruits gently to avoid damaging the branches and leave some on the tree to ripen fully at room temperature. Store harvested guavas in a cool, dry place or refrigerate for longer shelf life. Avoid plucking unripe fruits because they may not develop proper sweetness. Over time, you will learn the best indicators for harvesting, and the tree will continue producing multiple cycles of fruit each year. Proper care during growth and regular monitoring of the tree ensures a successful harvest and a continuous supply of fresh, delicious guavas at home.
Congratulations, you have now learned all essential steps to grow healthy guava tree in pot, even in a small space like balcony, terrace, or the choosing the right pot, selecting suitable guava variety, preparing the soil, planting correctly, watering regularly, fertilizing, pruning properly, management pests, and patiently waiting for fruit can enjoy fresh sweet guava right home. Remember, the consistently care are the key of success. Each tree may grow fruit at its own pace with little attention and love. Your potted guava tree will be reward you delicious fruits for years come. If you can found of guide helpful, make sure to like this video, share with friends, and subscribe your channel. More practical small spaces gardening tips ideas. Thanks for watching.